As a student of sustainability, what does the word sustainability mean to you?
So majorly sustainability is thought of something as related to environment specifically. But coming here, we have seen that there are other aspects of sustainability, especially the three pillars that we have been taught: economic, social, and environmental. So these three particular aspects helps us in gaining a comprehensive understanding of the sustainability, and it also helps us in realizing that sustainability is very important if you want to achieve development in the coming years, because we as a developed country we need to have a sustainable pathway for the coming years in the future, and we need to develop in that way only.
To me, sustainability is when you're able to improve and develop the world around you without harming the environment, and that's actually a perfectly plausible thing. Given the technology and the times that we live in, and the technology that exists per se, you can certainly evenly distribute development across areas. I mean, the problem is that we're concentrating development and urbanization too much in one point. I mean, take Mumbai for example. This Mumbai is a rare example of greenery coexisting with buildings and infrastructure. But if you look at the rest of Mumbai, it's just basically construction, metro, you'd see rail transport, you'd see sewage, you'd see everything everywhere cluttered around. But at the same time, if you were to take a little time to focus on development in a proper distribution, you'd be able to turn every metropolitan area, every megacity's metropolitan area, into a paradise simply by adding green patches in and around at frequent distributions and intervals.
एज अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ सस्टेनेबिलिटी सिर्फ 9 महीना हुआ है. सो बेसिकली लाइक वी ऑल हैव बीन टॉट इन द स्कूल लाइफ दैट सस्टेनेबिलिटी इज़ ओनली क्लाइमेट, environment, etc. But right now when you come to any college and study about the sustainability domain, go like deep into that, do some reading and stuff, get it in the industry. That is when you get to know that there is more to sustainability than just environment. For example, the ESG framework that has now been introduced in different countries, and especially right now, so it's in like the whole world. So that talks about environment, social and governance, which is not just related to any climate specific domain, but really tells us everything about how to become more protective, in a sense that you do not exhaust all the resources for the future, and not just the climate and the environment domain, but also in the social domain and the economics sector domain. So basically, yeah, it's not just related to something more like very specific, but a whole umbrella which covers a lot of things.
For me, sustainability is we should use what we need for now and save the rest for the future generation.
Being a student of sustainability, according to me, sustainability is just a simple term which means saving the resources of present and using it in such a manner that the production of today is not being hindered, and also the resources are being left for the future generation. That is what sustainability, according to me, is.
I can give you the analogy of what I think of sustainability. Sustainability, you can think of it as like you are eating something today, and you are eating that in a manner that you are not harming your body, and you have sufficient resources to eat tomorrow as well. So you are not eating too much at the same time, but you are eating that much that is required to sustain your body naturally. So sustainability is like using resources in the amount that is feasible for your current needs, but in such manner that does not hinder or restrict your further uses of the resource.
Means preserving the future as well as developing the present. It comes into picture when we do waste management as well as diversifying our company and businesses.
I think that we all know what sustainability is, and I feel that sustainability practicing on a personal level, like saving fuel, saving light energy, etc., can bring a lot more difference.
What do you think the scope of sustainability is?
So like, rather than treating sustainability as a fruit under the climate and the environment tree, start considering sustainability as a whole tree and finding fruits under that tree. For example, like right now, there have been companies which are working in carbon finance, carbon credits. There are other companies which are working towards sustainable textiles, etc., etc. So this really gives us hope of putting that sustainability wala aspect into the various industries that we find ourselves and the people around us working in. Another thing, right now, presently the market is very voluntary, but in the coming future, I think there is a hope of this market getting more of compliance based because of the various ये थोड़ा cut कर देना, because of the various measures which are being taken by the government of the countries to make their companies and their economy more sustainable. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Sustainability.
I think sustainability is there's a huge scope of sustainability in the current era. With the SDG index gaining a lot of prominence among various countries in the measuring of sustainability, and in the ESGs also there's a lot of scope.
Scope is vast. Every field has now become sustainable. Sustainable accounting, sustainable transportation, sustainable studies. Sustainability is just everywhere, and I think in a few years the whole world would be like going towards sustainability in a divergent manner.
Okay. I think in future it will rise up to the level that we cannot imagine as of now. Its scope is very high in foreign countries. For example, in European Union, we get to know that there is a huge demand of this course, and also in India it will grow.
As for the scope of sustainability, I'm going to say it's going to be a little difficult right now. Given that in our country, there's overpopulation in this country, ergo there's more of a need for urbanization rather than for sustainability. But sustainability is also important. It has to come along with urbanization. So I'd say plan more and place more incentives in the budget for sustainability. Plan for sustainable cities, green cities and smart cities, wherein you can avoid overuse of materials that harm the environment, such as fossil fuels and basically anything that and recycling. You place more importance towards developing sustainability, but it's going to be a bit of a distant dream until we're able to properly coordinate the budget for that. I mean, first we need to address the variety of issues that plague here, including overpopulation. So you have to first address the overpopulation issue, and while planning for that, you have to incorporate sustainability into development.